Hey everyone, welcome to Utopia Creating the Paradise. So let's do some grocery shopping today. To reduce plastic waste, I like to carry reusable bags which I kept in the storage box. This storage box I made from paint bucket and also I have shared video regarding this. Please check description box and also I will link in the I button. Precaution is always better, and in this pandemic it is necessary and need, and it is our responsibility also. So taking sanitizer, mask, it's mandatory. Also here in Doha, summer is already at its peak, so carrying sunglasses too also important. Today plan to purchase some grocery items other than fruits and vegetables. I have made list for to avoid confusion, and it is always better to do list before going for the shopping. This video I recorded last week. That time kids were not allowed in the malls and supermarkets as per the regulations by government. So we left kids at home and they managed for 2 to 3 hours. They are grown up now. Today we are here in Lulu Hypermarket. Lulu Hypermarket is the biggest chain of supermarket in Gulf countries. The name Lulu is girl's name of Arabic origin meaning pearl. We get everything here from grocery, clothes, sports, electronic items, fruits, vegetables, cosmetics and whatnot. Everything is here. After shopping, as usual, our workplace, that is kitchen. This place always keeps us busy, so we ladies don't get time to bore, right? We always try to finish our work and do something else that keeps us going. And I feel this is the reason we enjoy small things in life. A day without prayer is a day without blessing. Prayer gives us power to live life with positivity. So after coming from supermarket, we just had lunch and then took nap, and then now I'm keeping everything at place. So before that I will share whatever I purchased in supermarket today. Mostly these are the items are enough for me for next 1 month. Sometimes I need extra, or sometimes it is more or less like that. So let's begin what I have purchased today. So first I will show you whatever the cleaning material I bought. This is washing powder. Mostly I use this brand only, no brand promotion, just I'm sharing with you. I have front load washing machine, so this is good enough. And you must have seen me like using dishwasher daily in my previous videos, in my previous vlog. So I need this is daily like dishwasher powder. I use this brand and it is good enough like to clean vessels. And these are tissue boxes, Clorox, this is vinegar, I usually use vinegar for cleaning glass or furniture. I make my own cleaning solution. It's not like I have invented or like that. I just learned from like YouTube. So I just take some vinegar, water and little bit of dishwash liquid, and that's it. You can use for kitchen top, furniture, even for glass, windows, etc. And these are two toothpaste. This is Dabur Red. Shampoo, one Maggi ketchup. Sorry, I forgot to show this body lotion. Mostly I try to buy sulfate free and silicone free, so I keep on trying different brands. This time I have this Love Beauty and Planet. This is body lotion. They have said it's vegan. And also shampoo, I purchased this time Herbal Essence. I have seen good review of this, so I'm going to try. This is also sulfate free, silicone free, so let's see how it is. Now all mostly food items. So Maggi ketchup, I think everyone love this. Maggi, who don't love Maggi? Especially Indians, we are very crazy for Maggi. Parle Ji, bachpan ka pyar, still I love. And these are some snacks items like garlic save. My younger son like this. And this is chana dal, my husband's favorite. And I love bhujia. So whenever I like to have some late night snacks, mostly in the weekend, that time I prefer with murmura or puff rice. This is Bikaji Bikaneri Bhujia. Now next, this is puff rice. I make tadka of this puff rice. We called it in Marathi chivda. So I have shared recipe of this. You can check in the description box. I will link in the I button or description box. Please check that recipe. Some makhanes for fasting days, or like sometimes I make raita or just roast in a ghee like that. This is pasta. I think this one is whole grain pasta. These are really tasty, and quantity wise you can eat less. It is very fulfilling. Now next I have bought this poha. This is must for all Maharashtrians. We can eat this daily, and this is very nutritious. It is rich in iron and traditional food which never goes out of fashion. So weekly 2-3 times I try to make poha. Oats, I prefer rolled oats. These are good, like if you make porridge, or even you can put this in omelette. It is really fulfilling, and it keep you longer time feel like that. So I like this one. Now next, this is suji rava. We can use it for upma or like appe, even shira, sweet dessert. Now next, jaggery powder. Mostly from 3-4 years we are trying to avoid white sugar, so we now regularly using jaggery for tea, coffee, or even for any dessert. This is coriander seed. I will make dhania powder, coriander seed powder at home itself. And this is cumin powder. Same, again I will make cumin powder out of it. I'll roast and I'll make. Now next, besan. Besan for pitla, bhajia, pakode, like bhajia or pakode, or even for chila, etc. And these are must for us. These are peanuts, raw peanuts. I will roast and keep, and also we like to have laddu out of it. For this peanut laddu also I have shared recipe. I will link in the description box or in the up in the I button. Please do check out. Now next is cowpea white. We call it savli. This is really good and it is one of our favorite family favorite pulse. Now next is moong dal. One is like split, both are splitted actually. One is with skin and one is without skin. This one is dhuli hui moong ki dal, and this mostly I use for khichdi, and this is for like chila or dal, etc. I have tuar ki dal, so I have not purchased. This time only I have purchased this. Now next, oil. This time I have purchased pure corn oil and one more rice bran oil. I try to use a variety of oil, like every month I keep on changing. Like this time I purchased corn oil, last month I purchased sunflower oil and groundnut oil. Sometimes I purchase sunflower oil and even canola oil, like that. We should keep on changing oil so that we can have variety, and it is like it will give you good good synthesis of cholesterol. And this is pure coconut oil. I use this for dosa, even tadka for sambar, like that. Okay, now these are this is fine vermicelli for making kheer. So these are really tasty, it is really good. Mostly I buy this brand only. Usually we get in Lulu, FFC, even I have seen in Indian supermarket. And these are flaxseed. We all like to have flaxseed chutney. Like from childhood we have this habit to have flaxseed. It is like traditional chutney. I have shared recipe of flaxseed chutney also. I will link in the description box and also in the I button. Please do check. Now next, this is Rajgira atta, amaranth flour. This we can eat during fast. Mostly we can make chila or shira, like sweet dessert, even porridge, sweet porridge. So I have this, and jawar flour. This for making jawar roti. We all love to have jawar roti, especially with non-veg or some pulses. Now next is wheat flour. This is whole wheat flour. Almost daily we eat chapati, so we need this. And lastly, this time I purchased basmati rice. About rice also I keep on changing. Last time I bought Sona Masuri. Sometimes I buy Kerala Matta rice, even other variety also, but this time we are using basmati rice. So yeah, this is grocery whatever I purchased today, and it's enough for 1 month. And I hope you like watching this, and if you like this video, please do subscribe and share with your friends and like video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned until next time. Thank you.